So where do you go from here on your product-led journey? I have outlined 6 quick steps you can do to take a ton of action today in this direction. The first step is just to recognize that 97% of potential customers, they want to try before they buy and totally de-risk their buying journey. And if you don't do it, somebody else will, because this is what the market wants. Now, the second step here is really assemble your PLG task force. Be intentional and make sure that you have every key department leader participating, because at the end of the day, this is a company-wide initiative. So for step 3, this is all about joining ProductLed Academy to accelerate your journey. So what we've done here is we have crafted this entire program to make it easier for you to build and scale a successful product-led business. And so where you're going to get access to when you join ProductLed Academy is not just the product-led system. We're also going to make sure we pair you with the right tight-knit community that is going to support you along this journey, because it does take a while to truly build a successful product-led company. We're also going to give you access to specialized coaches to ensure you have access to people you can ask your toughest questions about regarding pricing, onboarding, your offer, and everything else to support you. And I'm going to be also your guide there to make sure that you're able to implement the product-led system for your business so you can grow much faster. Step 4 is all about building an unshakable foundation in your business. This is exactly what we talked about. Crafting your strategy, going through and really pinpointing who is your ideal user, and making sure we're crystal clear on what is our intentional free model. What are we giving away for free? Now, once you've done that, step 5 is all about building a product that can sell itself. And how we do that is we make sure you have an irresistible offer, frictionless onboarding, and powerful pricing for your business. Once we got that, you got the last step, which is all about scaling up your go-to-market motion. And how we do that is we make sure you have the right actionable data for your business so you always know what is the biggest bottleneck for your business. And then we make sure you have an effective growth process that will allow you to launch experiments every single week to solve the core bottlenecks. And then you can have the best elite team possible. And we'll make sure you identify who those people are. So at ProductLed, what we're known for is transforming SaaS companies. These are just some of the results we've been able to help our clients achieve. 30% more signups without adding any additional traffic. 20% increase in your free to paid conversion rate, which is largely because on average, we get 50% more of your users to get to value, actually experiencing what the heck your product is all about and that core value that your solution promises. We also, as a result, have faster sales cycles, 25% faster. And we also are able to help you achieve 20% lower customer acquisition costs. And on average, we save your customer support and success costs by 10 to 20%. Now, how the heck do we do all that? It comes down to building a successful product-led business. And how we can help you really comes down to 3 things. 1, we're focused on helping you become the obvious choice in your market. And how we do that is we help you grow your self-serve revenue without hiring anyone new on your team so you can stay growing lean. And we also help you increase your profits while working less in the business. See you in the next video.